short-term employee benefits, they are such benefits which will fall due in short term. That means which will fall due within 12 months. But as per the definition, falling due within 12 months does not mean within 12 months from the date of service rendering. The point is, from where do you start counting that period of 12 months? The period of 12 months will be counted from the reporting date. A business is an integrated set of activities and assets. Two things very, very important. There has to be integration between activities and assets. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are having a factory in which there is a special equipment. Now, equipment is not an automated equipment. It needs an operator to handle it. That means handling the machine through that operator is basically an activity which is being performed, and the machine itself, the equipment itself, is an asset. So there is integration between an asset and activity.